Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Learning Class. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we are going to talk about something very important for English learners, a simple daily routine to improve your English every day. You don't need to study 10 hours a day. You only need a simple routine that you follow every day.
In this lesson, we will show you a step-by-step daily routine for improving your English speaking, listening, reading, writing, vocabulary, and grammar.
If you follow this routine every day for 3 months, your English will improve a lot.
So let's start our lesson. Simple routine to improve English every day.
First, let's talk about why daily practice is important.
Learning English is like going to the gym. If you go to the gym one day for 5 hours, you will be very tired, but your body will not become strong.
But if you go to the gym 30 minutes every day, your body will become strong.
English is the same. Daily practice is better than long study once a week.
Many students make this mistake. Study English only before exam, study only once a week, watch lessons but don't practice, learn grammar but don't speak, memorize words but forget later.
To improve English, you must practice every day, listening, speaking, reading, writing, vocabulary, and pronunciation.
Don't worry, we will show you a simple daily routine. You only need 1 to 2 hours per day.
Here is the daily routine we recommend. Daily English routine. Vocabulary, 15 minutes. Listening, 20 minutes. Speaking, 20 minutes. Reading, 15 minutes. Writing, 15 minutes. Review, 10 minutes.
Total time is about 1 hour 30 minutes per day.
If you are busy, you can do 30 minutes per day, but you must do it every day.
Let's start with vocabulary.
Vocabulary is very important because without words, you cannot speak English.
Many students try to learn 50 words a day. That is a mistake.
Instead, learn 5 to 10 words per day and use them in sentences. Follow this method. Learn 5 new words, write meaning, make 1 sentence for each word, speak the sentences, review old words.
Let's see an example. Example words: improve, routine, practice, habit, confident. Example sentences: I want to improve my English. I have a daily routine. I practice English every day. Habit: reading is a good habit. I want to speak English confidently.
If you learn 5 words every day, in 1 year you will learn more than 1,800 words.
That is amazing progress. Now, let's talk about listening.
Listening is very important because you cannot speak well if you don't listen enough.
Many students try to speak, but they don't listen enough.
You should listen to English every day. Conversations, podcasts, English lessons, movies, news, stories.
Here is a simple listening routine. Listen to short audio, 2 to 3 minutes. Listen again, read the script, listen again, repeat the sentences, try to understand without subtitles.
This method is very powerful.
Remember this rule: listen, repeat, understand, speak.
Now the most important part, speaking. Many students say, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
This happens because they don't practice speaking.
To improve speaking, you must practice every day. You can practice speaking in these ways. Talk about your day, your family, your job, your study, your plans, your hobbies.
Example: Hello, my name is Daniel. Today I woke up at 7 a.m., I ate breakfast, then I studied English. In the afternoon, I watched an English video.
Speaking alone is very powerful practice.
Shadowing means listen to a sentence, repeat immediately, copy pronunciation, copy speed, copy tone.
This method improves pronunciation, fluency, listening, speaking.
If possible, speak with friend, teacher, online partner, language exchange partner.
Try to speak at least 10 to 20 minutes per day. Reading is very important for vocabulary and grammar.
You should read easy English, not difficult English. You can read short stories, news, dialogues, English learning books, articles, conversations.
Follow this method. Read slowly, underline new words, look up meaning, read again, read aloud.
Reading aloud improves pronunciation, speaking, confidence.
Writing helps you remember vocabulary and grammar.
Many students don't like writing, but writing is very important.
You can write daily diary, short paragraph, your opinion, your plans, your story, email, message.
Example writing topic: my daily routine, my best friend, my favorite food, my hobby, my city, my job, my dream.
Try to write 5 to 10 sentences every day.
Review is very important. If you don't review, you will forget.
You should review old vocabulary, old sentences, grammar, pronunciation, notes.
Remember this rule: learn, practice, review, repeat. Morning: learn 5 words, make sentences. Afternoon: listen to English audio, repeat sentences. Evening: speak for 15 minutes, read for 15 minutes, write for 10 minutes, review vocabulary.
If you follow this routine every day, your English will improve very fast.
Here is also a weekly plan. Monday, vocabulary plus speaking. Tuesday, listening plus reading. Wednesday, speaking plus writing. Thursday, listening plus vocabulary. Friday, reading plus speaking. Saturday, writing plus listening. Sunday, review everything.
Sunday is review day. Review all vocabulary and notes.
Now we will give you some important tips. Think in English, speak every day, don't be afraid of mistakes, listen to English daily, read easy English, learn phrases, not only words, use a dictionary, watch English videos, write daily diary, practice pronunciation, repeat sentences, use English apps, talk to yourself in English, set goals, be consistent.
Consistency is the most important thing. Let's show a daily English conversation example.
Good idea. Hello, Daniel. How are you today? I'm fine. How about you? I'm good. What did you do today? I studied English and watched an English video. That's great. How long did you study? I studied for 1 hour. Very good. Practice every day and you will improve. Yes, I want to become fluent in English. Keep practicing and don't give up. Thank you. I will practice every day.
Learning English is not easy, but it is not impossible.
Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner.
Don't say, "My English is bad, I cannot speak English. English is very difficult."
Remember, the secret to learning English is practice every day.
Don't study English only sometimes, study a little every day.
Small daily practice equals big improvement.
Thank you for watching English Learning Class.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up. Goodbye.